چۆنن
جونن
باشن
باشن
من
من
ناوم
نون
جەنگۆیە
زنگوية
خەڵکی
حوكي
یابانم
يابان
سڵاوتان لە بیاوڕێن بەخێر بێنەوە بۆ ڤیددیۆکی جیاوازتر لە ڤێتنامەوە لەگەڵتانین لەگەڵ جەنگۆی یابانی وا دەگەڕین بەناو بازاڕەدا بەنیازین گۆشتی بۆق تاقی بکەینەوە بزانی داخوا تامی چۆنەوە جەنگۆش لە قەتم نەخوادە خۆی خەڵکی یابانە یابانی دەبێ بەلانەوە ئاسای بێ بەڵام تاقی نەکرێتەوە
پش شتی جوانە هێلکەیە کوڕەوە تەرتیباتە دووسیان کردووە شازی جەوە شازی جەوە شازی خواردنە هەلا و سینچاو سەرچاو سینچاو ماشي Allah, I'm full. I'm not hungry. Tomorrow, maybe. Again, tomorrow. Tomorrow, everything is tomorrow.
souvenir shop.
Yeah. Yeah. No. It's all fake. It's all fake, but they have nice clothes here, you know.
Yeah.
Actually. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Just remind me if you've seen a nice crispy frog, we're gonna try it. Yeah? Let's see. Lobster. Yes. Oh my goodness. Shall we try? We're gonna try a frog. Have you had one?
Frog.
Really?
Lobster.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I have one frog, please?
Yeah.
But I need it a bit more cooked, yeah? Need it a bit more in the barbecue, okay? Yeah, well, I'll try. I don't know if I can do it or not. Oh, my goodness. Never had it. Can you eat one? You can, yeah?
Yeah.
How much is the lobster?
Lobster $300,000.
300?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lobster and two prawn, one baguette, one egg.
Okay, how much is the frog?
Frog 50,000.
Let me try again. Okay. How are you? 50,000, yeah?
Yeah.
بوق ب 50 pound نیوکه. Lobster, how much was lobster?
300,000.
Okay. Can we? You eat lobster? Come on. Yeah, come on. It's okay. It's okay. 2 lobster.
2 lobster.
I eat 1 frog. You eat 1 frog. Yeah.
No.
Come on. 2 frogs. Yeah, and 2 lobster. Okay.
Yeah.
No, we're gonna sit down over there because I like a bit light. Okay. Okay. But make sure it's a bit cooked properly, yeah?
2 frog.
Yeah, 2 frog. My friend, you can sit down over there.
Yeah.
I'm just going to record it, how they do it, and then how they cook it, and then I will come to you, yeah? Then we're going to have a nice meal together. Yeah. Sit down. All right, okay. Kaka, ama du lobster man da kedua the girl du bok. No, more, my friend.
Yeah.
Need to more cook, yeah. I don't like raw, man. I like it a bit cooked, you know. Yeah.
Lobster bò này mà sister hả?
Lobster barbecue mà sister.
Yeah.
Can I ask why he burned them with this? Why?
Why?
Yeah, why he's not leaving it cook on its own? Why? Oh, she's not explaining, is it? I don't think so. The taste would be nice afterward. No, a bit more, please, yeah. But on the fire.
Yeah. Chili sauce and garlic.
What is this? Chili, yeah?
Yeah.
Little bit, yeah?
Yeah,
Little
yeah.
bit spicy, not too much.
Yeah.
And a frog a little spicy as
Yeah.
well. Maybe it would be nice, I would say. One little bit, one spicy, one not spicy, yeah?
Yeah. Not too spicy. Yeah, no. Yeah.
Little bit, my friend. Little.
Yeah. Ít không? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Một con cá ớt, một con không ớt mọi người. Hai con không ớt, một con cá ớt rồi sao?
Yeah, man.
After you barbecue. Yeah.
أبو خان هر زندون وطن.
Very nice.
It's frog night tonight. Frog night, yeah.
Tôi liền Hoàng Miết mới bị bo chảo qua đó. Hả?
We're gonna have it in a minute. I'm gonna have a frog tonight.
Oh.
Yeah.
랍스터 바비큐 맛있어요.
Frog. Very.
No more, my friend. No more. No more.
No, yeah.
Okay.
Spicy.
He's trying to put as much as chili he can. Yeah. No man.
No chili.
No more chili, please.
Mà ai bóc giùm con mấy cái chén tới cái mày.
With butter, you know, with butter.
Yeah. They already put butter on it. Yeah.
Cô này lát tới
Okay.
nấu trên nơi đi. Hai cái xêu.
Okay, legal Jangoy brother and book man bohat. Amish book. This is frog.
Smells good.
Smells really good. Yeah. I think أما بوقة. لجيان مدانا مخود تاقيدا كينو. أما تشيا. أما زيادة. Is this what we ordered? No. What is this? Maybe extra.
Probably. This is not lobster.
No, this is.
This is
What's
shrimp.
this? Is this extra? What is
This
this?
a small one. This
Yeah.
is a shrimp.
No, yes.
Lobster coming?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Lobster.
Okay.
Service.
Okay. أوريان بوقة كتاقيدا كينو. جانجو. لا أود داري.
Them two grass seeds.
To
To share.
what?
Grass.
Grass?
Grass seeds. Grass.
Glass.
Grass.
Glass for what?
For share.
For share. No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Honestly, no. I'm having Coca-Cola, zero Coke and water today. Yeah, thank you so much. جوز عند خمونا خمو. أورينا أبو خكيا مزاينا yeah. Is it really I'm scared. Okay. أبو خكيا كورينا.
I take picture.
Yeah. كورينا غوشي بوقا. يەکەمجار لە ژیاندا دەیخۆم ئاراستە. One second. ئەزانین گۆشی بۆق چۆنە؟ تامی گۆشی بۆق. Okay.
Not for me.
Yeah, two for you, two for me. No, for you. I ordered. No, I ordered for you. No, it's okay, Django. No, this is for me coming. For me coming as well.
Yeah.
For me coming as well. Okay. Is that all? Is that two lobster or one? That one.
Big one.
That's-
Yeah, big one.
Two more coming, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. This is for you,
Oh.
and it's more coming. Okay.
Are you satisfied with eating? How do you feel?
Wait.
Do you like?
خراب نيا.
Come.
No, thank you very much. Well. بخوای هاورن زو خوشم خوشی با. آخیره که تمام کرد. والله خوشم. دلی
Very good.
گوشی مریشکه. Yeah, because they say spicy is nice. كورينا بخوا
ئەوە قاچێتی دەبینن ئەمە قاچێتی ئەمە دەستەکانێتی ئەمەش ڕانێتی Come on, come say yeah. Come join me, come on. Our Zuri Azlia. Come sit down, come on, try one there. What up?
Okay, you go ahead.
Come on, my
He
friend.
said he wants to.
You want to?
Go ahead.
We're gonna share. My friend, try. You need to try as well. أوقات بومن. Come sit down here. Come on. I want you. My friend, come sit down. Come on. Okay. I wish how Reiki Philippine. What was your name? Sorry.
Iggy.
Iggy.
Where are you from?
Selamat, and this is Iggy.
Philippines.
Yeah.
He's from Philippines. We just met in here. He was
When I
eating.
came to Japan, so I stopped over at Philippines and Manila.
Wow.
Manila, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably Manila too.
Where did you go in Manila?
Just transit for several hours.
Okay, my friend, let's have this. This is for you. Do it. Do it, my friend. Come on. Do it.
Okay.
Try. Okay. All right, wait. We do like a cheese together. 1 second.
Okay.
I'm gonna actually.
Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ah.
Delicious.
It's nice actually. Yeah.
No aftertaste?
No aftertaste.
It is nice. Yeah.
have
But it's just like you have a bad feeling to eat in front, you know? Oh man. Yeah. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah.
Similar taste with the chicken.
Have you had it? Have you had the frog?
Nope.
No. I'll pass you some.
Please not the body.
Oops. Oh, sorry.
Too bad.
Well.
Yeah.
You can have this.
Okay.
My friend, you should try.
Yeah.
Try the leg. Try the leg. See what's it like.
I have to have someone to eat it with. You have to eat with me.
Yeah. Cheers again, my friend. Cheers. Gōshti bōq. Oh, come on, my friend. Here, anyway, you like.
Not bad.
Gotta be any more. Bring.
Baguette.
No way. We are.
It's included with what you ordered.
We bombard with the food. Thank you guys. Yeah, thanks to everyone.
guys.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice. I'm
Actually-
surprised.
Actually, nice.
Yeah.
I didn't
Grilled
expect
is
that.
nice.
No, I didn't expect that, to be honest.
Yeah. I thought
Yeah.
it was gonna be slimy and
Yeah. Do they have a tissue somewhere? Sorry.
yeah, it's here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it's here. It's okay. I'm gonna put it back up in a minute.
I think I have to bring home.
Guys, do they not sell frogs in your country?
They do. No, they don't.
They don't.
They don't, but they eat it
Our farmers
in
eat it.
province.
Okay. Okay, I
So
see.
it's not common to sell this in the market.
Yeah, they don't sell it in the market.
Oh, man.
Put it in the plate.
Guys, help us because too much. It's just,
There's a
they're
lot.
loving us, you know.
Here, we're done. Well, just join you for a good conversation maybe before we leave. If it's alright. Yeah, come on.
So, putting that all up there. All up the zochoshe, zogran.
Using this
Huh? Oh,
grab. You don't want to.
yeah. We didn't know that. Listen, I'm gonna wear gloves. Ahora no, da sana boina boi dasma pisnabe. فكر ما نكدو يابان حتى لبنان صومشتك زيركا بخوا زيركا. Okay. So. أو دا سوانا ما لداس كت أو جهر بأرزي خود شيء خوي بخوا أما تشيا.
Why don't Here.
مەستەمونە زۆر زۆر خۆشە.
You're finished.
Finished?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, you should go to our country.
Yeah, I will. 100% I go. I would definitely go. Yeah. No, I actually met some Filipinos people on a plane. Yeah. And they told me that I must go. And I said 100%. Yeah.
You can try the wood slugs in Palawan. Yeah, from
Well,
the dead mangrove.
they promised me they're going to take me nice places. So I don't know. Yeah, fingers crossed.
They would. I'm sure they would.
Yeah, well, I'm looking forward to it, you know?
Yeah.
I can't wait. Yeah.
And we also want to go to Japan.
Oh, yeah. My last trip would be Japan. Yeah, I got business to do in Japan.
Really?
Yeah. But final destination for me, and then I have to go back.
I've never been in Japan.
I have an aunt in Japan and cousin, so we can visit.
Do you like it? Do you like our country?
We have not been to.
Ah.
Where is your? She's Fukuoka. And then mine is in Tokyo.
Tokyo.
أما شتێک زۆر هێڵسی خۆشە بەڕاستی. Oh, delicious.
Okay.
Amazing.
We're gonna-
Thank you.
We're going
Cheers.
to ride the lantern boat. It's nice at night.
Yeah.
But
Well, we haven't got much time.
Go massage.
I love massage, yeah, but
You can go massage.
but we'll see. Yeah.
Coffee.
Ah.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
What is your
Cheers.
name? So, Eddie and what is your name?
Got his name. I'm sorry. Yeah.
What is your name?
my name is Guo.
Kazuo?
Not Kazuo.
Kazuo.
Kazua.
So I have given him
Because I
email
write all
address.
the names of the people I meet.
زۆر خۆشەوە بەدەست دەست پیس دەبێ پیس نابێت کە
Sorry to
شەیەک نییە.
interrupt your eating. Oh, paper? Here.
Please put in my.
Sugo.
ئەمە باینجانە. ئەمە باینجانە سووریان کڕۆتە زۆر خۆشە.
They from the coordinator.
Oh, yeah.
I heard there's some.
Martin, you need to contact me. Why don't you? Yeah, please.
You will. You will. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
You too. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
For the box.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'm now a fan.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, stay in touch. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Will do. Bye-bye. زۆر کەسانێکی باش بوون. خەڵکی فیلیپین زۆر ڕووخۆش بوون. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. I don't know when I'll see you again.